Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor, lived in a cozy green castle. His best friend was Sparky, a little dragon with bright purple scales. Sparky loved to play, but today he had the hiccups. Hiccup! Sparky puffed out a tiny shimmering bubble. The bubble floated in the air, and then pop, played a sweet little ticking sound. Sparky looked worried. "Oh dear," he squeaked. "My hiccups make musical bubbles, and I can't stop them." Sir Reginald, with a kind smile, patted Sparky's snout. "Don't worry, little friend. These aren't just any bubbles. They're musical. Let's listen." Another hiccup. Hic! This time, a bigger bubble floated out and pop, played a low boring sound. Suddenly, Sir Reginald had an idea. "Sparky," he said, his eyes twinkling, "what if we make these hiccups into a song? A bubble symphony." Sparky tilted his head, his big blue eyes wide. A symphony? So, every time Sparky hiccuped, Sir Reginald would listen carefully to the musical note. Hic! When a small bubble, pop. That's a high note, Sir Reginald exclaimed. Hic! When a big bubble, pop. And that's a low one. They continued like this, and soon the musical bubbles were making a lovely tune. High ting, low boring, and even a medium plink filled the air around the cozy green castle. Sparky started to giggle. His hiccups weren't scary anymore. They were fun. Finally, Sparky's hiccups stopped. The last bubble, pop, made a gentle, soft sound. "We did it!" cheered Sir Reginald. "We made a beautiful bubble symphony." Sparky smiled, happy and no longer afraid. Sir Reginald and Sparky listened to the quiet air. "You know, Sparky," said Sir Reginald, "sometimes things that seem a little strange can turn into something wonderful if we try to see them in a new way." Sparky nodded, his purple scales shimmering in the sunlight. It felt good to have a friend who helped him solve problems, even hiccupy ones.
Please subscribe. Thank you.